Yeah, so we started about a year ago. It was last May, so I guess that's really just 11 months ago. And turnover at the time was 49%. We had a goal to reduce it to 35% by July, and we've already hit that target. We're at 35.4%, so that's a 28% improvement. That, from a numbers standpoint, translates to 1,200 fewer terminations in a 9-month period. And if you use a conservative estimate of $5,000 per termination, that's a savings of $6 million. So very, very successful results, exceeded our expectations. And that at this point, we are at over 11,000 stay interviews in less than a year.